back to Rabbit Transit Garage. Today I'm getting the ATVs ready since it is ATV season, and we are avid ATV enthusiasts. Like riding here in northern Wisconsin, or in Wisconsin, on the ATV trails. We have a slew of them, so if you're into that, there's a bunch of them. So this is my middle son's, and the carburetor, it's been sitting, so we got to go through the carburetor on it. It'll fire on starting fluid and then just die out. So I already got rid of the original carburetor that was on here and put a cleanable, maintainable, and adjustable carb on it. But since sitting, they don't last real long. So it is a little import Tao. We have ridden this on the Wisconsin trails, and actually didn't do too bad, all things considered. I think we put 100 or so miles on it, so it didn't do too bad. But another thing we got going on is this guy, 89 C1500. Jason had a unfortunate loss in his family, and this was the owner's pride and joy. So by request of the family, they asked if we would go through the truck and put it on YouTube and get it back on the road. So this will be on the channel as well. Not typically our thing with Mopar stuff. It obviously is a Chevrolet, but under the circumstances, we will definitely do it. So I actually have my son doing this, and he's taking the bolts out of.
I don't know how to do this.
Here he is.
No, you're restarting. I don't know how to do this.
Come on.
It's not working, Dad.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
You have it loose right there.
No.
There's one bolt right here. I could have got you an easier ratchet to do this.
Exactly.
See? There's one.
I didn't know how to do that.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. There's one bolt. Let's go get the other bolt.
Yes, sir.
Come on.
Jason was talking to us.
Okay, go. You can get it better from right here, bud.
I go in the right way.
Yes. Go to the left. There you go. Okay, now hold the carburetor up. Well, that wasn't supposed to come off like that.
Is it broken?
No.
Jason's still talking to you. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, I did break it.
Oh, wow.
Cool, the tab broke right off the gas tank.
Is that bad?
Well, it wasn't supposed to happen.
Oh, is that bad?
Yeah.
Oh, so we gotta take one from the other thing. Right? Right? Wait, right?
Well, you know what?
What?
We had a broken gas line.
Oh, so it's just gonna start leaking gas.
No, just got to replace the gas line. Well, it would have started leaking. That was probably our issue from the beginning. Here, hold on to the phone, Dustin. Let me get this off here. Jesus, everything's flying everywhere. So this is after sitting for winter. That is terrible. Look at that. That is terrible. The carb out. Put some carb cleaner. We'll pull needle and seat out. And it is stuck. I mean, like, stuck. And now it's broke. Sweet. All right. Back at you. So if you've watched my O-ring video, this needle and seat needle is stuck in the seat. Now this is one of the things that ethanol fuels does to current carburetors, or does to current elastomers. It'll actually swell, and the ethanol fuels actually have a negative effect on current elastomers. So this is a new carburetor, well, was a new carburetor that I had bought to replace the current one, or the one that it was built with, and those are not serviceable. So this is a serviceable one, but as you can see, this needle is stuck in there. Now, this is probably because of all the sediment I pulled out of this thing, and all the sediment I pulled out of it, and the elastomers potentially swelling, so, or the O-rings or seals potentially swelling. So, unfortunately, I can't get it out, and I need a new carburetor. We're going to use this parts bike. I'm going to see if the carburetor's better on that one. Yep, that one.
It's not getting.
Now we got another kid taking the other one apart.
I can't get it on.
Hmm?
Can't get it on.
Here, like this. Let me help you. Okay. Now go to the front of the bike, because you can get in through the fender well. Oop, right down here. On over here. Nope.
Here?
Look through here. Look through the front, right behind the front wheel. See how you can get in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm turning to the left. It slipped. Dustin, shut it. There, you gotta make sure your sockets are down there. There you go. Keep turning it.
Like this?
Yep.
That's just turning. That hole at the end is just turning.
Okay, so now you can take it out with your fingertips. Okay, now do the other bolt.
Same place. Didn't know.
Okay, turn to the left.
Wait, it's to the left?
Yep, ready till you lefty loosey. There you go. Here, loosen it a little bit more. Can you get it with your fingers?
No.
There, now you can. Go down there. I ain't doing it for you. None? There you go. I just broke it loose. Okay.
It's leaking something, I think.
Huh?
It's leaking something.
Yeah, I was leaking gas.
Football.
Yeah, we'll see what this one looks like.
Brett, come on.
Elbow by chance?
Hang on. Oh. Look at that wonderful gelled gas. Or green. So this one, as you can see, had the green. It was just starting to gel up right down here. And again, this is only sitting over winter. But this one here too, the needle is stuck. So I may be buying 2 carburetors if I can't get that needle out. So we got both ATVs. Both were run at the end of last year, and both of them, the needle and steets, or the needle is stuck. Trying to get it focused. This one was the worst of the two, and this one actually had fuel in it that was starting to gel, but you could see the needle is stuck. So $14 a piece, so $29 for 2 new carburetors. It comes with a new air filter, new spacer with seal, and all the lines and things like that. So got them on order. Get them ready next weekend. Here's another one of my machines, 2016's Polaris Sportsman 570. Got about 2,500 miles, I think, on it. This one I handed down to my oldest son, because we ended up getting a touring. So put some Rotopax. I made the brackets for it. So some knockoff Rotopack cans on it, but another good running machine. I gotta take the plow off and get it ready for the season. Have a good one. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and something a little different than the Mopars we've been working on. And it's coming soon. We're going to be working on the Dart and the Cuda again, and then of course with the satellite, going to start working on the quarters of the Dart. So talk to you soon. Have a good one, and like I said, like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. First start since October, I believe. Had to replace the starter, and he's going to change the oil after. Good deal.
That was done pretty easily.
It did. Huh?
This thing needed to start for a long time. It's never installing and starting. This one's for you, Chris.